Hi friends, this video shows how to easily move and take washing machine trolley stand outside. We can raise one side of the washing machine like this, then we can remove one part of the trolley stand like this. Then put some object under the washing machine for support. Okay, so one side is done. Then we can repeat the same thing on other side. Again, raise the other side of the washing machine, then remove the other part of the trolley stand, then slowly put that washing machine down, then repeat it for the first side again raise the washing machine, then remove the object. Done. So this way we can easily uh, take this trolley stand outside. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.